This is a box that many of you will have seen before if you followed my channel for a year or so. This box had at one point a Pentium 3 Packard Bell computer. I've still got the Pentium 3 sticker that we found on it somewhere about my person. But this has been back to the owner of the Constellation ultimately, and it's come back with something else in it, something else which is quite similar but very, very different, and something that I've personally not actually seen one of before, let alone used one. So, absolutely fantastic. Let's get it open and see what's inside. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? Yes, this box has gone round once now, who knows, it might go round a couple more times. I also can't actually remember where it's, oh here's the edge. I remember how it's put together because I know it's a bit crushed down. Yeah. Oh, how did I've done this once. There's no join there. Right, it's off camera, shouldn't I? Hang on. I think it's here. What? Oh no, it's down here, isn't it? Oh, this one. See, they've only lobbed it back together the way that we took it out. Oh, there's a lot of tape. Ah. Oh, so much tape. Oh my goodness, why is there so much tape? There we go. Marvellous. So, here is our box that we've seen before with the same packaging that we sent it off in. And off the camera, birdie. Which is fair enough, we can reuse that very nicely indeed. Well, I got my pre-spiel completely wrong for that, didn't I? It's not actually the one that I thought it was, the one that I've never used before. What's up, birdie? It's actually a Hoover Constellation in pink and very nice. Rose, I think it is. Rose, and yeah, it's a. There's some holes in the bottom. That's interesting. Okay, I'll put those to one side. Oh, it's an old one. It's an 862. Very nice. Hoover Limited, Great Britain, and we have the original ribbed pink flecks on it. Oh, blimey, the paintwork on this isn't fab, but it should do okay. Oh, and the cable exit grommet has done what the pink ones mainly did. I don't see it much on the other colours, but look, it's all perished and faded. Plug wise, well, I'm afraid my plug chums, insulated pin, generic-y modern plug. Fair enough. Cleaning up, it'll do okay. So let's have a look inside then and see what is what. Well, we have, I've got a spare one of these now, a replacement donut, which obviously seals the bag there. And then looking at this bag, this is a filter flow generic bag, and it's actually been quite well made. I've gone to cut onto there. That's actually pretty good. We might keep that. That looks brand new as well. So fair enough. This is obviously one from his collection. Not quite sure about that. I think I've got a spare of those, but the filter certainly looks like an elephant's bum. I don't want to take it off yet because we'll turn it on first. It doesn't look like there's going to be much airflow going through that at all. Crikey, crikey, crikey. Right, let's put that back on there. I quite like that. I was going to HEPA mod this, looking at that rubber foam donut thing, but maybe we won't. We'll see. We shall see. Right, let us plug it in, see how well it works. Yeah, there's two holes right there. That's roach bar though. Look folks, that's what these random things were for. They stop the air blowing out of those two holes. We'll use a little bit of clear silicone, I think, when we're done. Yeah, that's alright. It's still got roach. it's still got suction. That's still not bad. I mean, it stinks, but you know, yeah, that's not too horrendous. Right. Let us grab a screwdriver and check that we are the first. Oh, grab the wrong screwdriver. We'll undo our slotted screws, because obviously this is an earlier one to the others that we're more familiar with. And we can see that, yeah, it seems fairly original. We have our suppressor. Lovely, take that off. But yeah, everything else isn't too bad. That should clean up very well. There's a lot of dirt stuck in the fans. But yeah, I think once it's done, it's going to wash and brush up quite nicely. We'll take this off now because I'll start to wash it anyway. Oh look, it has seen some work. It has a non-colour matching filter housing. And yeah, I can't see anything through there. It does have a little hole in it as well, I think. I don't know, I think that's okay. I think we'll try and wash it up because they don't often come into us that dirty, do they? So I think we'll give it a go. We'll see how it washes, but equally, I'm not going to be too upset if we have to replace the whole filter as well. So, cool. There we go. Not quite the one I was expecting. We shall see that soon, I'm sure. That's definitely a nice old one, that is. And yeah, hopefully, the next time you see this, it'll be a lot more shinier, a lot less filthier, and it should run a lot better as well. So, until next time, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed yet another Hoover Constellation. There's always Hoover Constellations on my channel, as I'm sure you've noticed. And I, and it, and another one. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.